Hello everyone, this is a continuation of the part 2 ovarian neoplasms. So here let's see about Dysgerminoma. Dysgerminoma is the neoplasm of the ovary where this can occur idiopathically or this can occur in the streak ovaries of the Turner syndrome. How will it be? Because of increased cells, the cells are containing the LDH, therefore there will be increased LDH in the blood. The good news is that in Dysgerminoma it is very much sensitive to chemo as well as the radiotherapy. How will the cells be? There will be a large cells with clear cytoplasm. So this is how the Dysgerminoma cells will be. So these are the important points that one has to know for Dysgerminoma. What about the Leydig cell tumor? In Leydig cell tumor, we need to know that here we have the testis and this is the epididymis. So we have the seminiferous tubules which produce sperm and empties in the epididymis. The epididymis will then lead on to vas deferens and which will be carrying the sperm along to it. Here in this seminiferous tubules, if we see a cross section, here we have the Sertoli cells. So these cells are the Sertoli cells, and those cells which are present on the tissue of the testis, they are the Leydig cells. This Sertoli cell produces aromatase, but the Leydig cells produces androgen. So what is the role of aromatase? The role of aromatase is to convert androgen into estrogen. So therefore, when the Leydig cell tumor can occur in the males, they will be presenting with gynecomastia because of the excess production of estrogen. But in females, this Leydig cell, because of excess production of androgens too, they can present with virilization. So this is in short about Leydig cell tumor. What happens in Granulosa cell tumor? The Granulosa cell tumor is that which happens in the granulosa cells of the ovaries. What does the granulosa cells produce? Again, the granulosa cells will be producing the aromatase. So we already saw that the aromatase is that which converts the androgens to estrogens. So with the increased estrogen, they will be presenting with an ovarian neoplasm, but in addition to it, there can be an increased endometrial thickness. So increased endometrial thickness can result in a vaginal bleeding. So this is the typical presentation of granulosa cell tumor. So whenever you have a question which states that there is an ovarian neoplasm with increased endometrial thickness and with bleeding on and off, then it is a granulosa cell tumor. But if there is virilization in females and gynecomastia in males, then it can be Sertoli cell tumor. And that which has excess of LDH, sensitive to chemotherapy, radiotherapy, which can occur idiopathically or in Turner syndrome, then it is Dysgerminoma. So with this, we have seen about the part 2 of the ovarian neoplasms.